Yom Ashura being observed today with solemnity. The United States is expected to reduce its troop presence in Iraq by about a third in the coming month. The world total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases near 25 million. Lebanon an open door to Syrian arms smugglers. At least 40 injured as Indian forces open fire on Muharram procession in Indian occupied Kashmir. The Provincial Disaster Management Authority Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan has issued an alert about heavy rains in different parts of the province from this evening till Tuesday. The Italian Coast Guard in a mission to save 200 migrant stranded on Bangsi rescue boat. UN agency said half of Lebanese schools face food shortage. Egypt announced the failure to reach a drop on Renaissance Dam. Pakistan information technology export reported at $1.231 billion at a growth rate of 23.71% in the financial year 2019 and 2020.